Naalala ko pa nung nililigawan pa lamang kita, dadalaw tuwing gabi. Masilayan lamang ang iyong mga ngiti at ika'y sasabihan bukas ng alas 7 sa dating tagpuan. Buo ang araw ko, marinig ko lang ang mga himig mo. Hindi ko man alam kung nasan ka, wala man tayong komunikasyon. Maghihintay sa'yo buong magdamag dahil ikaw ang buhay ko. Ilang beses nang nag-away hanggang sa magkasakitan, di na alam ang pinagmulan. Pati maliliit na bagay na napag-uusapan, bigla na lang pinag-aawayan. Ngunit kahit na ganito, madalas na di tayo magkasundo. Ikaw lang ang gusto kong makapiling sa buong buhay ko. Kahit na binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasampal mo ako at sinisipat na susugatan mo, ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Ang gusto kong makasama.
I have died every day waiting for you, darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away. But standing in front of me, every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer.
Make you smile whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine, I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Oh, I could be the man who grows old with